Heating the motors with Buddy Kofoid, Freddie Raymer, Steve Buckwater, Lucas Wolf, Reese Notarski, Tim Schaefer, David Franny, Hayden Miller, Ryan Newton, TJ Stutz, Reese again, Ricky Peterson Jr., Cody Hartlock, Preston Latimus, and TJ. Grove. It was on Friday, May 23rd, and I went to see the 410s, the 305s, and the Wingless Super Sportsman. There were 32 410s, 33 305s, and 14 Wingless Super Sportsmen. I was kind of disappointed by that. But as far as the weather goes this time, we ended up dodging it, kind of. It ended up being delayed, I think, for like an hour while we were there. So the program was behind, which in turn led to the Super Sportsmen. Their race ended up being canceled for the night since it ended up being so late. The track conditions, even before that, just by looking at the track, it looked pretty good. It looked like it was gonna, be open. You know what I mean? At least have a couple of grooves. But I know after the rains, I don't think it really changed the track that much. I think it maybe have helped. It probably helped the bottom be a bit more dominant, because I noticed a lot of guys, they were running the bottom a lot, and some of the guys that were running the outside, they were just basically just trying to find any grip they could, because there wasn't really much of a cushion, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, I mean, it was cool to see some invaders come in, because I know Port Royal, they rained out that night because High Limit was up there, so drivers like Garrett Williamson came down, and then the Outlaw, there was a couple Outlaw drivers there, or I think just one Outlaw, but Buddy Kofoid was there. He ended up showing up from Attica out in Ohio, because I think they rained out too. So, and yeah, I mean, it came down to Cameron Smith and Buddy Kofoid. They put on a great race. They put on a couple of slide jobs left and right. That was the best battle for the lead I've seen. Like all the times that I've been to Williams Grove in recent years, that was the best racing I've seen in quite a while. So definitely props to Williams Grove. I know that the track wasn't like how it usually was, but it put on good racing. There was a lot of close racing, a lot of wheeling going on, just drivers sawing at the wheel. You know how that goes. So, yeah, it was just a lot of fun watching the drivers work. And then, yeah, just check out the rundowns there for y'all as I'm doing this. I had a great time. I'm not sure what my next plan's going to be yet. I'll find out when I look at the schedule, I guess. I was thinking about going this weekend, but it may be a washout, and you probably hear traffic in the background. It's raining now, so, and right now it's Wednesday, so the day I'll be uploading this. So, yeah, and if you ever wonder too, the day that I do these, like, where I give my thoughts and just all that good stuff, the things that I have wrote down in my notebook, I do this on the same day that I upload the videos, so when you're seeing this, it's not on race day, so that's why I have the dates wrote down on this stuff and started keeping track of certain things in my notebook. So I don't know, I had a great time. Great. Gotta love living in the city, but keep dirt in your beer, y'all. Peace.